So I haven't tried the feature yet, but Meta has this feature called let's see, what's that AI info? A feature in AI Studio. They have a face cloning feature that allows you to basically create a clone of yourself. I mean, in AI, that's something that's known. You can create a clone of yourself to make pictures or create videos, and Meta is jumping into that now. And I'm a I'm a research. I like to research and know about technology and advancements and everything. So I'm all for it. At the same time, there are cautions and things we need to be careful about as far as what we're doing now to that will affect the future of things. So this is actually pretty. Look at that. It's very close. I'm very sorry for this person, but this is what came up. Sorry for using yours as an example for this video, but it's a pretty good example. But this comment really has me thinking here. This person, Charles, saying, my 2 cents, we're clumsily creating a disingenuous and inauthentic future full of photos and videos that never happened. Imagine how little trust the next generation are going to place in photos and videos in the near future. These were previously mediums for documenting life, but they're soon going to feel empty and meaningless. This render of example not only never happened, but also isn't even an honest depiction of the original face. In my opinion, as an entrepreneur, business owners, one of the biggest battles moving forward is going to be navigating the total lack of trust from the viewers and customers and such due to ever increasing pool of needlessly faked images like this. The stuff initially gets a goofy wow response, but it's going to people's erode trust. Going to erode trust. And I honestly, even for the love of tech, I'll have to say this person is right. This is something I've thought about, and I need to be careful of how I use it. So, the way you use anything, it's an individual choice. So, everybody gets to decide. So, I'm not here saying good or bad, not at all. I'm just here to say, really kind of think about what you're doing and how it's affecting the future. I honestly don't think it's going to, one person or a few people not, you know, creating fake images will stop it from happening. But I find myself even really questioning everything now as far as when somebody will say, "Oh, well, this person said this. They're on video," particularly if it's a celebrity. They'll be like, "Oh, well, this celebrity is on video saying this. They are on, or a politician, they're saying that," and I'm just always kind of like, is it true? I don't know. Is it AI generated? Because I know that AI videos and pictures are so good right now. They may not be at their best, or you may not have access to ones that look their best, but some people have access to the ones that are really good. I don't know who they are, but I truly believe that there's access that people have to AI that's really good pictures. And I've seen some where people are like family members when you'll share videos and stuff on group chats saying, "Oh, look at this," and I'm just like, that's completely AI generated. Especially the older generation, they're not fully aware. Some are, but not a good amount of people are still not fully aware that AI allows people to create fake images and videos. So saying this to say is, be curious, learn. I like to learn about technology as much as the next person, so I'm not denying it, but we're going to get to the point now where nobody can trust anybody. So I guess at the end of the day, you always gonna have to just question, is this video or picture that I'm watching fake or real? I mean, we're already talking about how people fake their lives online as far as, going to stores or going to some locations that they don't own or have and pretending like it's theirs with AI. Are you kidding me? They won't even have to leave their house to do that. With AI, they can completely have a whole different life without even leaving the house. A whole different life online, that is, completely with their images. Like somebody can live in the middle of Wisconsin and they can create a whole life of them being in place, like luxurious island type of place, or Dubai, or like somewhere far away, with images that look like it's them there, and there's somebody on the other end who's going to be looking at that as motivation or inspiration or even like jealousy, and they're completely comparing their own lives to something that never existed. So it's just things like that. Yeah, so it's kind of like our creativity and curiosity, as much as I love it as humans, is also going to make it hard for us to trust each other. And I guess all you have to do is learn that these things exist, and be aware to not just always trust everything and make your opinions based on things that are there for real and not just things that you see online, because it's a fake world out there. And I'll admit I've created images myself, but never one that looks like me or extremely like somebody else, just the ones that AI has generated. And I don't know, just putting this out there, I guess, as sort of like an awareness of AI and internet awareness. Just be aware that not everything you see may be true, but it could be, but also it may not be. And yeah, I think that's a thing that probably is going to grow, just AI and technology awareness as far as how real or fake things can be. And there are some apps that are being built now to detect whether something is real or AI generated. And right now they're not at its best. At least the ones that I've seen examples of, they're not accurate as far as 100% catching whether something is fake or real. But they're being built, so let's just hope that there's some kind of way that we can detect those, because it's just going to be a fake world on the internet now. That's all. Even more fake than it already is. So, peace.